In the first part of this EVU mini course, we introduced the Tesla Model S. Now, we'll explore how the Model S is made, the specs for the vehicle, and an indication of where the car and the company are going. The Model S is made in the USA. Tesla Motors purchased an empty car factory, the NUMMI plant, from Toyota for $42 million in 2010. The factory is located in Fremont, California, and is capable of building 400,000 cars per year. It encloses 5.4 million square feet and sits on a 380-acre campus with a test track. Today, robotics and automation dominate the factory, where Tesla builds bodies, motors, and batteries. In the EV track, you'll learn that the growth of EVs is constrained by battery capacity, which limits the range of electric vehicles, and the availability of high-capacity batteries that will be in short supply as the number of vehicles sold grows. To solve both problems, Tesla is building a Gigafactory in Nevada with a $4 to $5 billion investment. The Gigafactory will accommodate battery needs for 500,000 EVs per year, with a projected 2020 capacity output of 50 gigawatt hours per year. The Gigafactory is currently under construction. When completed, it'll produce lithium-ion batteries and full battery packs. For those of you who are unfamiliar with battery fabrication technology, spend a few moments taking EVU mini course EV 210, which covers the subject in some detail. The Tesla Model S is offered in two battery sizes, 70 kilowatt hours and 85 kilowatt hours. There are currently 4 variants for the Model S. A single motor standard Model S with an 85 kilowatt hour battery, the S85. A dual motor standard vehicle with a 70 kilowatt hour battery, the S70D, and a dual motor vehicle with an 85 kilowatt hour battery, the S85D. And finally, the supercar, a dual motor performance version, the P85D. The range of the vehicle varies depending on battery size, but falls between 208 and 265 miles. The power generated by a single or dual motors ranges from 376 to a whopping 691 horsepower. The 0 to 60 acceleration is 5.2 seconds for the S70 to an astonishing 3.1 seconds for the P85D. The top speed is 140 miles an hour for the S70D to 155 miles per hour for the P85D. The Model S has onboard electronics, sensors, and software capability that will enable autopilot when the company enables the feature after additional testing. Because the Model S is built to allow over-the-air or OTA updates of critical software and firmware, the car improves literally as time passes. New software and firmware versions are downloaded regularly and enable improved performance and better functionality. The Model S is currently for sale throughout North America, in Europe, including Scandinavia, the UK, and Australia, and in China. In this EVU mini course, we've introduced the Tesla Model S and the company that builds the car. Tesla Motors is a 21st century technology company that just happens to build automobiles. Since its inception, it implemented a top-down strategy for making electric cars a true competitor for ICE vehicles. The company's business model is different and threatening to many of its competitors. The Tesla Motors factory is state-of-the-art, and the Model S specs are world-class. In this EVU mini course and the mini courses that follow, we'll talk more about the car and its features. You'll also learn a variety of tips and tricks for driving the Model S. Finally, we'll discuss a number of complementary subjects that are relevant to the world's best BEV.